Kale mikwano gyange tukyali ku Homestone lisangibwa mu Lugazi ka clip k'abaana ab'obulenzi obalabi waliwo omuyimbi gwendi naye wano eno mwana wa buwala agenda tuyimbira muko tu balancing eryato so aba Homestone ono ye wammwe omukyala aba representing manya gonyo
Namutebi Haifa
ngoyogera mpola
Namutebi Haifa
mu class
senior 4
oli candidate mulamba kiki oyinza okwogera ku Homestone
si lyali lyawo nti bina era sijja kulimba terisinga obulungi
kale ekikuleese kutuwaamu kapera ogenda tuwayo obuyimba nga bubiri oba nga busatu your best to balance ngena kuidde oli wa luzungu nnyo tutandikire mu Luganda mu luzungu symbol embalasi the my icon is yours.
Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you today. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed.
Nga kawedde ak'oluzungu wena ak'oluzungu akala kosobola otuwaayo
nina
katuweemu
katandikire wakati
wonna w'osingira okwagala wonna w'osinga okkaagala.
I'm slamming the door and I'm killing the lights, cause I hate that I miss you tonight. Say it's for the best, but it hurts every time, cause I know there's no good in goodbye. Yeah, my heart didn't break, it's still stuck in a place in a world where it's just you and I. We're still frozen in frames when nobody's to blame for the way that our souls aren't tied. I can't deny, I hate that I miss you tonight.
Ani omuyimbi wo gwegomba ku international?
Omuyita Justin Timberlake.
Ate wano ewaffe Uganda
Unknown.
Kale tuwe akayimba ka unknown kamu ak'Oluganda ogenda tuwa ka unknown
wakati era.
It's okay.
Maybe singa nali omudokita andijanjabyenga gwe omulwadde omubwati. Love singa nali yoyo wamaanyi andiwolereza gwe lanto omubwati.
Kati banga katandikamu ko walinga wakatandiseemu kati ni wali eri.
I truly love you, baby. Lady. Olugendo lwalina pulaani nga lulina ne lanchi byaliko nga byeri mu bungi byonna byafanyabo. Nakwesiga nze ne nkuwa omutima gwange ontereke olinga mapeera nkomawo nogera ebyensobi bibaawo tutekiseka nawe kinawe ebyo byawe baleka bakyamu boogere bagala kutwawula ddiya songa wabweru bamanja nga n'omutima nga gumanja nesibirayo bwenti bw'omu mu nju nendowooza gwe bw'omu. Baby singa nali omudokita nandijanjabyenga gwe omulwadde omubwati. Love singa nali yoyo wamaanyi nandiwolereza gwe lanto omubwati.
Polo okimanyi oyimba bulungi waliwo akayimba nga tusiibula tuvaano perfect okamanyi?
Kamanyi.
Kati tuweemu ka perfect.
Nkatandika.
Yes, kimanyako okamanyi.
I found the
oli free soko oli fresh nge bulungi ng'oli free kati njagala obawe your best.
I found the love for me. Darling, just drive by and then follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And in your eyes, you're all in mine. Baby, I dancing in the dark with you between my arms, dancing in the clouds, listening to our favorite song. When I said you in the dress, I knew that I had met an angel in person, and she looked perfect. I don't deserve this, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Kayimbo kayimbye ne manager nayagala nokaba. By the way, uluka na kayimba kali ku TikTok. Simanyi linnya lyako ne kalinga akennako.
Kamai.
Ako ketusembyayo.
In the dark of nights, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. It's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see your eyes. You are not alone, we are family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are a symphony. By your side, we are unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity.
Awo ne wobasiibula.
Basiibula ntyo.
Bagambe bye bye.
Mwena abaliyo twebaza okuba nga mutuwuliriza oba kale bye.
No, mwana. Oli wa mu Lugazi.